Hi everyone, it's Tracy at TierraCast, and I have some great information for you today about TierraCast ear wires. Not everyone knows that we offer a great selection of ear wires made right here in the USA. It's actually one of the first products we developed for the jewelry making industry, and we're extremely proud of the quality and attention to detail. Let's take a look. Our ear wires are 20 gauge wire and uniform in shape, with round consistent loops bent to the inside except for the front loop style, and smooth deburred ends. We have a variety of shapes including the front loop, the traditional, angular, and the French hoop, and also decorative styles that feature fine metal and pewter components and Swarovski crystal. We make our ear wires from a variety of wires including gold-filled, rose gold-filled, sterling silver and silver-filled, and niobium. We consider our niobium ear wire special. Niobium is extremely hypoallergenic and is an excellent choice for people with sensitive skin. Because it is an inert metal with no nickel, lead, or other additives, most people with metal allergies can safely wear it. It is so safe it's actually used in medical implants. Another fabulous thing about niobium is that the color can be changed by anodizing it. This means it is colored by dipping it into an electrically charged bath, which means we can offer ear wires in gray, copper, brass, and black colors. This is not a plating or paint, so the color will not flake or chip. Our niobium ear wires are consistently one of our best-selling ear wires. Our ear wire production begins with purchasing the high-quality raw unformed wire on spools from established, reliable suppliers that we've worked with from the beginning. The wire is then machine formed into our distinctive variety of blank shapes. Then the formed ear wires are cleaned and deburred. Deburring is an extra step we take of tumbling the wires to smooth the cut ends so that they are not sharp and scratchy when you put them in your ear. Many of the blanks then continue on to in-house assembly, where they are embellished with different decorative components. From there, they continue on to packaging and inventory ready to be purchased by you. Our ear wires are beautiful and easy to use. To attach charms and jewelry components, open the ear wire loop much like you would a jump ring. Use a pair of pliers to open the loop to the side. Attach your component and twist it closed. Thank you for watching this video on TierraCast ear wires. Be sure and check out our YouTube channel for more informational videos, projects, and how-tos, and keep up with developments at TierraCast by following our Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest pages. See you again soon.